لا يجب بالبذل إلا الحج هو وظيفة المبذول له على تقدير استطاعته. The ruling was you have to accept it, you have to go for Hajj. Now this you have to is not obligatory on anyone. It is on someone who was able to or who has not gone for Hajj before. Was able to go for Hajj before, did not do, Hajj became on his head, and now he has to arrange. He's not able to now. Why didn't he go Hajj last year when he was able to? Somebody on whom the Hajj was fixed, or someone on whom the Hajj was not obligated, now it will become obligated. So if somebody was going to do mustahab Hajj, no, because this is it becomes obligatory. استطاعة, and recommended Hajj is not obligatory. So لا يجب البذل إلا الحج الذي هو وظيفة المبذول له على تقدير استطاعته. So somebody who has not gone for Hajj, the provided one, the provider and the provided. So let's see the provided. Is he qualified for Hajj this year? All the other conditions are, except for the financial capacity is not there. Then yes, he will be the candidate for them, for this kind of providing. Otherwise, if he is not candidate for providing, the Hajj will not be wajib upon him. La yajibu bil badr. It does not become obligatory by providing, okay, by gifted Hajj. Illa al Hajj الذي هو وظيفة المبذول له على تقدير استطاعته. Except for the Hajj, not any Hajj. Only the Hajj, which is the responsibility of the one who is provided to, the recipient or the one who is provided to. Assuming that he becomes able to go for Hajj. That means what? That means all the other conditions are available. It's not about the money. We said a lot of things. And not just that, there are three types of Hajjs: Hajj al-Tamattu, Hajj al-Qiran, Hajj al-Ifrad. So if we are staying away about 70 kilometers from Makkah, then the Hajj which we have to do is Hajj al-Tamattu. If somebody gives me of Hajj al-Qiran and Hajj al-Ifrad, which are the Hajj for the people of Makkah or people living in the vicinity of 70 kilometers, no, then I can't take that because it is not sufficient for me. So فَلَوْ كَانَتْ وَظِيفَتُهُ حَجُّ التَّمَتُّعِ, if his responsibility was to perform the obligatory Hajj, which is Hajj al-Tamattu' for people who are living distance. فَبُذِلَ لَهُ حَجُّ الْقِرَانِ وَالْإِفْرَادِ. So he was given expenses that could cover the Hajj of those people who live in Makkah or 70 kilometers of the vicinity of Makkah, which is Hajj al-Qiran and Hajj al-Ifrad. لَمْ يَجِبْ عَلَيْهِ الْقُبُولِ. It will not be obligatory upon him to accept. وَبِالْعَكْسِ, if somebody is in Makkah or in 70 kilometers of Makkah and he has to do Hajj al-Qiran or Hajj al-Ifrad, and he was given the sustenance of Hajj al-Tamattu', it will not be obligatory upon him to accept. وَكَذَا الْحَالِ لَوْ بَذَلَ لِمَنْ حَجَّ حَجَّةَ الْإِسْلَامِ. And similar situation, if somebody has done his first Hajj, Hajj al-Islam, Hajjat al-Islam, then it's not obligatory upon him to accept. Now let's see, وَأَمَّا مَنِ اسْتَقَرَّتْ عَلَيْهِ حَجَّةُ الْإِسْلَامِ. As for that guy who was able to and did not perform the Hajj, remember that guy was sloppy, negligence, whatever reason, he did not go for Hajj and he was supposed to go for Hajj. وَأَمَّا مَنِ اسْتَقَرَّ عَلَيْهِ حَجَّةُ الْإِسْلَامِ وَصَارَ مُعْسِرًا, and he became unable, it was wajib upon him. فَبُذِلَ لَهُ, and it was provided for him the expenses of Hajj, which is obligatory Hajj. وَجَبَ عَلَيْهِ الْقُبُولِ إِذَا تَمَكَّنَ مِنْ أَدَائِهِ إِلَّا بِذَلِكَ. So it becomes obligatory upon him to accept if he was able to perform the Hajj with that money or with none other than that money. Okay? So if he doesn't have anything else other than that money, then he will accept. But if he has a money other than that money, which would cover the expenses of Hajj entirely, then he has to use that money. partially, then he has to use partially from that money and partially from this money. And if none, then he has to go Hajj with this money entirely. وكذلك من وجب عليه الحج لنذر أو شبهه ولم يتمكن منه. Similarly, for those who the Hajj becomes obligatory upon them due to the nadhr or similar to nadhr, like waqf endowment, and he was not able to. Whose nadhr? Whose nadhr? It becomes wajib upon him due to the nadhr, due to the qasam. He made the qasam to go for Hajj. He made the nadhr. If he is going to be given livelihood, he will go for Hajj. He was not able to. Then somebody provided him the money and he was not able to go for Hajj except with this money which is provided, endowment, gift, waqf, nadhr. Somebody did nadhr for Hajj, unless with that money. Then it will be obligatory upon him to go accept that and go for Hajj.